It's here. The Jeffree Star Supreme Mystery Box. Halloween 2021. Let's go. If you're new here, my name is Amber Wood. I do all kinds of fun makeup videos. Oh my God, y'all, I'm so excited. Special shout out to my husband. Thank you, honey. Love it. Okay, here we go. The moment you've been waiting for. Well, I know what that is. Now, I was never like into hard rock or anything, but I always felt like a weirdo. So does that count? As expected, the Weirdo palette. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Nice. It's interesting. It's only got one shimmer. It's got a silver shimmer, which I love a silver shimmer. Okay, let's keep going. Looks like this is the mini controversy. I can't talk. Controversy palette, which I have already and love. This is mine, and it's got the green in it right in the middle, as you can see. This one also has the green. So I'll probably put this one in my giveaway when I get to 10,000 on TikTok. Almost there. We also have a lip bundle. I've had this one before. Twice. Just so you can see, here's the ones I've got. Two Love Me Nots. Open here for nudes. Money, honey, and queen bee. Like we've got a cremated palette. There's a lot of palettes in this box. I'm going to leave that one wrapped, but in case you don't know, that's what it looks like. And I use this one a lot. Let's get into some lips. Cherry Wet. What is this? Androgyny. I think it's a lip pencil. Good, I like that. And Mouthful Lip Gloss. I don't wear a lot of gloss, but his are so pretty. This is a beautiful color. Cherry Wet. That's going to be really pretty. I'm not sure if this will look good on me. Looks like we got two singles, Poison Ivy and Heavy Weighted, a turquoise and kind of a greenish color. I really like that green. It's a shimmerish powder. It says Rose. Magic Star. This says Luminous Setting Powder. Ooh, it's going to be a little shiny. Ooh, this is Gorge on the inside. What do I use rose powder for? It doesn't look pink on the inside. I will definitely give it a try. I'm going to keep that. I can't read. Automatic eyeliner. Ooh, it pushes out. Oh, look at that. Ooh, I love it. Ooh, this is so fun. Okay, we got a velvet trap. Does this just pop out? Oh, what color? Ooh, it's kind of a reddish. Ooh, that's really red. Yeah, I'm just going to keep this one because it's pretty. It's not like too orangey red, but it's pretty bright. Okay, a concealer, lavender. Not sure if I'll use that. Maybe I can use it for cut creases. It looks like we've got an exclusive lip scrub. This is cute. It's got, oh, look at how cute. Oh, it's called Witch's Brew. I love the lip scrubs. Is it black? Oh my God. Oh no, it's green. Oh, it smells like licorice. I don't like licorice. Well, that's unfortunate because I was real excited, but I don't like licorice. Oh, it's like the black licorice is what it smells like. Why would you make something out of that smell? Most people don't like that. Who likes that? Okay, we're almost to the bottom here. I think we got a mirror. New mirror. Oh, ooh, it's drippy. Oh, it's the black soft touch. Look how cute. It's like dripping with like spider webs. Oh, that's cute. Very nice. So here's my collection. 1, 2. We've got 2 of these. So I put one in my makeup kit. Got a double. Oh well. We've got the black marble. We've got green money. Jeffree Star approved. And then I've got a blinged out pink one. And so welcome, Webstar. Welcome. Let's test it out. Welcome back to my channel. We're at the bottom. Got some clothing. It feels like maybe a sweatshirt. I think I'm right. Oh, it's got the new little logo for the Weirdo collection. Whoa. Oh, look, it's got a big spider. Oh. Very punk rock, hard rock, headbanging. Oh, that's fun. Oh, look at this. Jeffree Star Skin. What is this? After years of formulation and testing, the skincare line you've always dreamed of is almost here. Jeffree Star Skin. Interesting. That's sneaky. It's interesting. The coloring, though, is very similar to somebody else's stuff, but otherwise, I'm excited. Well, that was sneaky. You guys, I think I got a pretty good box. I'm pleased with most of the things I've got. I would definitely say Amberrific. If you haven't gotten a box yet, I say go for it. I did get some repeats, but you always run that risk with a mystery box. You never know what you're going to get, but that's my own fault because I buy stuff otherwise. But I'm very excited about the Weirdo palette. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and follow for more fun makeup videos.